Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode at Carttitude. We have on the back a gorgeous classic car. Just be sure you stick on the video and you watch the full process. This week's project will be this gorgeous Ford Escort Rs2000. I love this car, it's a legend. When I was a kid, parents of my friends, they drive this type of cars and I was, wow, I want one of them. It's in at Carttitude this week for full paint correction, full car Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF, full interior detail, treatments for fabrics, for all the interior surfaces. The wheels, same, will be removed, decontaminated, ceramic coated, undercar wish treatment. We need to protect this car and to make this car to look like exhibition level, and I cannot wait to do it. Start to inspect the paintwork. All over the paintwork we find some swirls, some sanding marks. The car was fully restored. The paint is in a very good condition, but still needs to be corrected properly before any PPF or ceramic coating is applied. We don't want to seal any imperfection behind. This is why we need to achieve the best level of paint correction. Then we will start with full car Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. Will be a bespoke installation, custom job. We don't have any kits for this model, but we'll do it. Now the paint correction is completed. We managed to take off all the swirls and sanding marks from the paintwork, panel wipe, clean all the polish residue straight away, and then we'll put the car in the PPF bay to start the PPF installation. Ta-da! I'm waiting these days so long. Now the project is completed. Full car is protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. The wheels was removed, ceramic coated. The full interior was detailed and each surface protected from leather, fabric, dashboard, door cards, everything. Windows ceramic coating as well. Undercarriage anti-corrosion treatment, engine bay detail. Just look at this car. In this moment, it's so bright and shiny and it's fully protected. It looks like new, but it's an old car. It's a legend. And what I want to mention here is, on this project, we don't did just our detailing and paint protection services. We managed everything from A to Z. This car was bought by auction online. The customer, the owner, even don't live in UK. He lives in Spain. He sent the car to us straight away. We manage all the mechanical works, the carburetor, everything was changed, the steering rack. A lot of work was did on the mechanical side. New battery. Then, when was perfectly in a perfect condition mechanical, we collected the car from the garage with our enclosed transportation services. We bring the car here, we detail the paint, then we protect all over. Now the car is ready to be dropped at our customer house, and this is the end result. You cannot go wrong, it's perfect. In the future, if you want the best for your car, if you want the best protection, best detailing services, if you want somebody to manage your fleet, here Carttitude is the right place where your car needs to be, and I'm 100% sure we are the right partners for you to keep your pride and joy in the top-notch condition. Thank you very much, guys, and see you on the next episode.